Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Apologies if my voice sounds a bit funny. I've got a heavy cold at the moment and it must be affecting my judgment. I bought this when we went out today just to try and get out the house. It cost me £2.50. I bought it because it's rubber band powered, which will fit into my put a rubber band on it channel. You can make a catapult with it, a race car, and a trike, which I assume is also a rubber band powered car. And I was relatively pleased with myself. I've had a look since I got home. Well, I did actually look in the shop, and I was fairly pleased that everything looked like it was there. And still in the original packages, nicely sealed. So that was all good. So all that looks good. Yeah, £2.50 cost me. Dorothy House, charity shop. I then realised there's no instruction booklet with it, which is a bit of a downside. And then, worse than that, I remembered I've already got one. So I checked back through my videos, and almost a year to the day I bought this one. This one does have the instructions with it. It's got all the bits. I bagged them back up again because we did actually build it, but it has got the instruction booklet. But, you know, do I really want to remake it? I probably will. I'll do them on my put a rubber band on it channel and do all 3 builds, so that'll be 3 rubber band powered things on that channel. So bonus side, it was only £2.50 instead of £3.99 I paid last time. Downside, no instructions, but I have got them anyway. And also downside, I've already done this once, but I don't think I did all 3 builds, so I'll do all 3 builds on my put a rubber band on it channel. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.